quickly, huh? The session will last till 9:45 maximum. So almost 1 hour 10 minutes का session होगा. ठीक है? Please make notes. Please make notes. Treat this as your first session of the program, right? Make neat notes because this session will not be repeated for you, even if you join the program. So, and you have to make notes so that you can refer to the content whenever you need. So please give me these details quickly. So I got one of the details. Okay, good. The rest of you, please share your numbers. So I got Ira's number. तेजस एक सेक्शन में बेटा एक मैसेज में देना है हाँ. So the topic, meanwhile, while you write, I'll start the session, but please write it, huh? So the today's topic which we are starting is trigonometry. So anybody who has any idea about trigonometry? Anyone who has any idea about trigonometry? Nobody? Try. Have you ever heard of it? Ira, Polly, Tejas, Utkarsh. No idea?
Yes, sir, I
Chalo.
have heard about it, but
हाँ
I
हाँ
don't know
हाँ.
what it is.
अच्छा, you don't know what it is? Okay. Okay. Chalo. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we learn about the relations between the sides and the angles of the triangle, right? So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we learn about the relations between the sides and the angles of a triangle. ठीक है? Sounds interesting to you or not? अभी तक तो सिर्फ ट्रायंगल पढ़ा. All of you have heard about triangle, right? तो अभी
Yes,
तक तो सिर्फ ट्रायंगल पढ़ा था. अब तो ट्रायंगल और साइड्स के बीच में रिलेशन भी पता चलने वाला है. ठीक है? सो द triangle which we are dealing with in today's session is the right angled triangle. The right angled triangle. We are starting with this triangle. ठीक है, हम इस triangle से आज शुरू कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. So let's draw this right angled triangle here. So this is a right angled triangle, and let's name the vertices as A, B, and C. Let's. There are two acute angles here. All of you can see the two acute angles here. Yes or no? Hello?
yes,
You
sir.
know
Yes,
what is
sir.
an acute angle, right? So here angle A is an acute angle, angle C is an acute angle. So let's name this angle as theta. This theta is a Greek alphabet. We call this, how do we pronounce it? You read it as theta. And this is a Greek alphabet. We are using it as a symbol, okay, to represent the angle of this triangle. So according to the angle chosen, every side of the triangle has a unique name. Every side of the triangle has a unique name. This side AC is called as hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, right? Now, the side which is opposite to theta, the side which is opposite to theta, right? If this is the angle, this is the opposite side. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to this 90-degree angle. Got it? I hope all of you understood what does the opposite mean in this. Yes or no? The side which is opposite to the theta, that is side BC, is called as perpendicular. And let's denote it as P. And the side which is this angle, this is called as base. And we denote it by B. After hypotenuse and perpendicular, you have named them. Just name the third side as base. Okay. All of you clear about what is perpendicular, hypotenuse, and base?
Yes, sir.
All of you, I'm talking to all of you. So you have to answer whether you understood or not. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Utkarsh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Tejas, Polly, Ira. Shabash. So now, if I name this triangle, this angle, if I choose this angle and I choose it as phi, this is called as phi, phi, phi bolte hain isko. Again, it's a Greek alphabet. Now, tell me, all of you. Chalo, I'll call your name and you have to answer it. Polly, tell me which side will be hypotenuse if I take this angle phi?
Sir, sir, the hypotenuse will be side AC.
AC. The longest side of the triangle will always be hypotenuse, whichever angle you choose. Okay? The longest side of the triangle will always be hypotenuse. So hypotenuse remains the same for phi also. I hope Tejas, Ira, Utkarsh, all of you understood this. Tejas, you are in which standard? 8. Okay, good. Now, Tejas, you tell me which side will be perpendicular if I choose this angle, phi? Which side will be perpendicular if if we take this angle phi? AB, very good. All of you understood? I'm marking it with red ink. So this phi, for this phi, AB will be perpendicular. Polly, Utkarsh, and Ira. All of you understood? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood it. Or say yes. For red angle, I'm marking it with red ink. And the third side will be, automatically the third side will become base of the triangle. I hope all of you understood. Yes or no? Everybody, any doubts regarding the sides and the angles? Tejas, Ira, Utkarsh, and Polly.
No, sir.
Good. So once you are aware about the sides, the naming of the sides, and how the angles are chosen, it's time to learn about trigonometric functions. All of you have seen remote, yes or no? Remote of the television. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
The remote of your television. Now, what does that remote of the television does? What does that remote of the television does? All of you have seen the remote of the television. Yes or no? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So what
sir.
does that remote of the television does?
It controls the channels.
It controls the television, right? It controls the television. It brings in the channel. It lowers the volume. It increases the volume. It increases the brightness and whatnot, right? Now, who gives the input to that remote? We give the input to that remote, right? By pressing the buttons of the remote, we are giving input to the remote, and that remote is connecting the particular function to the television, right? Similarly, here also, these trigonometric functions, they play the role of that remote only, right? They connect trigonometric functions. What do they do? Trigonometric functions are used to connect or to, yeah, to relate the angles and the sides of the triangle, right? Trigonometric functions are used to relate the angles and the sides of the triangle. Now, how? So, how many trigonometric functions are there? There are 6 basic trigonometric functions which we will learn today. उसमें से भी the last 3 are the inverse of the first 3. So, first one is sine. In short, it is written as sin, but pronounce it as sine. Don't pronounce it as sin, okay? Second one is cosine. It is cos. Third one is tangent. It is tan. Fourth one is cosecant. It is cosec. And fifth one is secant. It is sec. And sixth one is cotangent, and it is cot. Okay. So sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant, cot. These are 6 different basic functions. There are many functions, but these are the 6 basic functions which connects or which builds a connect between the angles and the sides of a triangle. All of you understood this, what I am talking about? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So how will we pronounce this? This is sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant, cot. Now, what is the relation? Now we know that these functions, they relate the theta and the sides, the angles and the sides, but how the relation is? What is the relation? So first one is, if I write sine of theta, the input of angle is given to this function. The output is the ratio of the sides. So it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. P stands for perpendicular, H stands for hypotenuse. This ratio is the value of this. Second is cos theta. It's base upon hypotenuse. Third one is tan theta. It's perpendicular upon base. It is also written as sine theta upon cos theta. Fourth one is cosec theta. Now this is, you will appreciate this. This is nothing, you have to just write 1 upon sine. It's h upon p. Fifth one is sec theta. It's 1 upon cos theta. It's h upon b. And the last one is cot theta. It is 1 upon tan theta. And it is b upon p. I hope all of you understood what is here. Yes or no? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having any doubts, you can ask. If you don't have any doubts, then you should start making the notes. But please make notes only once I give you the time, right? While I'm teaching you, your 100% focus should be on the whiteboard. Everybody. Okay? Polly, Utkarsh, Ira, Tejas. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes, sir.
start making notes, and once you have made the notes, type done in the comment window. Done or noted, right? Utkarsh?
Sir, we are in hospital, so it's not possible to write down the notes.
Okay.
My mother is my
Oh,
mother
no,
is
no.
not well.
No
She's
worries, sir.
admitted in ICU.
No worries, no worries. I'll send you my prayers for her, and I'll definitely send you the recording of this session. Don't worry.
No problem.
So, trigonometry, Trigonometric functions, all of you, but I think there are no doubts regarding this, right? Polly, Utkarsh, Ira, and Tejas. Any queries, any confusion you have regarding this?
No,
You can
sir.
ask. Okay, good. So now, after trigonometric functions, once you are aware about that, how trigonometric functions connect the angles and the sides of the triangle, now it's time to learn about the quadrants of a circle, right? The quadrants of a circle. So this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. This circle is divided into 4 equal parts. ठीक है? This is first part, second, third, and fourth. This is 0 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees. This is 270, and this is 360 degrees. All of you can see that I divided the circle into 4 equal parts. Beta, please don't write. Huh? This is very important. Try to focus here. Okay? Focus on the slide. So this is the first quadrant between 0 degrees. So we start counting from this point, right? This is 0 degrees. We start moving in the anti-clockwise sense. After we have moved for 90 degrees, this is 90. First quadrant completes. Second quadrant starts from 90 and completes at 180. Third quadrant starts at 180, completes at 270. And the fourth quadrant starts at 270 and ends at 360. I hope all of you understood which are the starting and ending angles of each quadrant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Kids?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So this is the first quadrant. So these angles, since they signifies the start and end of each quadrant, these angles are called as reference angles. We call these angles as reference angle, right? Each of this angle is a reference angle. I hope all of you understood this. And now you can also check here that these reference angles are multiples of 90 degrees. Yes or no? Check, all of you. They are multiples of 90 degrees. Yes or no? बच्चों समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
सर मेरे को रेफरेंस एंगल समझ में नहीं है.
आप हो इरा, है ना?
हाँ.
अच्छा, तो इरा एक बात बताइए, आपको हिंदी समझ आती है ना? आपने हिंदी में ही पूछा है, तो
हाँ.
आपको आती है हिंदी? शाबाश. तो एक बात बताओ बेटा, क्वाड्रेंट समझ में आया?
हाँ.
तो हर क्वाड्रेंट जो है वो उसका एक स्टार्ट और एंड एंगल है. यस और नो? जैसे
यस.
फर्स्ट वाला क्वाड्रेंट जो है वो 0 से चालू होता है और 90 पे खत्म होता है. तो ये इसका स्टार्ट एंगल, ये इसका एंडिंग एंगल. तो ये दोनों रेफरेंस एंगल हुए. ठीक है, इस क्वाड्रेंट.
ओके.
समझी? सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट का कौन होगा रेफरेंस एंगल, बताओ?
90 डिग्री और 180 डिग्री.
शाबाश. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट का कौन होगा?
180 डिग्री और 270.
और फोर्थ का?
270 और 360.
है ना इजी?
यस.
वेरी गुड. एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड? पॉली, उत्कर्ष, तेजस?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, as there are reference angles, there are some standard angles also. Now, why we are calling them as standard angles? Because they are most frequently occurring angles in the trigonometry, which we will learn till 10th standard. ठीक है? 10th standard तक ये बहुत frequently occurring angles होंगे. That is why we are naming them as standard angles. ठीक है? So every quadrant has their own set of standard angles. So we will memorize the first standard angle, first set of standard angles, and we can derive other standard angles using this first set. So the standard angles which we are learning is 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. Right? This is 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. These angles are called standard angles. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये सबके बीच में 15 degrees का relation है. You have to memorize this. So please memorize it. Okay. Now, it's easy to find the standard angles of second, third, and fourth quadrant. We need not have to memorize it. So to find the standard angles of the second, third, and the fourth quadrant, first method is add the standard angles of the first quadrant to the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant. Add the standard angles of the first quadrant to the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant. So let's do it for second quadrant. All of you, please help me in this. Okay, everybody. What does the rule says? It says we want to find the standard angles of second quadrant. Okay. So what are the reference angles of second quadrant? Which are the reference angles of second quadrant? Tell me, Polly.
Sir, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees.
No. Reference angles of second quadrant. Which is the second quadrant, Polly? This is the second
90
quadrant.
degrees and 180 degrees.
Very good. 90 and 180. Everybody understood? 90 and 180.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, which one of them is a smaller reference angle, Utkarsh? If you can answer. Okay. So,
Plus is not,
sorry.
right now, plus is not here, sir.
Okay, no worries. Ira, what is the smaller reference angle of second quadrant?
90 degree.
90 degrees. Rajdeep, you are late. 90 degrees. So to this 90 degrees, we have to add the standard angles of first quadrant. So which are those? 30, 45, and 60. So using this, we get the standard angles of the second quadrant. I hope all of you understood this method. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please don't make notes, just focus here, okay? Now there is second method also. You can use this also. Subtract the standard angles of the first quadrant from the larger reference angle of the respective quadrant. Okay? तो चलिए हमको अभी सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट का ही स्टैंडर्ड एंगल निकालना है. So which one is the larger reference angle of second quadrant?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Tejas, Ira, understood? 180 degrees.
Yes.
So from this 180 degrees, we subtract the standard angles of the first quadrant. Okay. This is 150. This is कितना आएगा ये? 35. And this is 120 degrees. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? So
Yes.
these are the standard angles of second quadrant. So before you start writing, I hope all of you have understood the concept. Yes or no? How to find the standard angles? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Hira, Tejas, Rajdeep, I am not aware about you because you have joined late. So if you have understood, you can say yes or no. And Now, what you guys do is you find the standard angles of third and fourth quadrant. First, you solve this exercise, do this exercise, post your answers in the comment window. While I check your answers, you can make notes. Okay. So what you have to do is find the standard angles of the third and the fourth quadrant. Find the standard angles of the third and the fourth quadrant. All of you. You have to type your answers in the comment window. Okay. Okay. Answers. Very good, Tejas. Very, Arey Wah. Ira also answered. Very good, Ira. Rajdeep, very good. Where is Polly? Polly, where is your answer? Shabash. Very good, kids. You can start making notes. Polly, I'm waiting for your answer, okay? Take your time, but do it correctly, okay? It's simple. Very good, Polly. Shabash, bit. Very good. So all of you got all the answers correct. Now, please copy this slide and we'll move next to the next slide, okay? Next part. All of you do it quickly. All of you noted it?
No, sir.
Okay, please type done when very good, Rajdeep. Okay, so everybody noted. Very good. Now let's move ahead with the next part of the quadrant. Let's learn some more attributes of the quadrant. Okay. So again, now you are very well aware that the quadrants are the first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. Now I'll be using this term trigonometric values. So trigonometric values are, I'll be frequently using this term trigonometric values. So trigonometric values are the values of sine, cos and tan. वैसे तो cosec, sec और cot भी होता है, but we will focus this only on these three functions. Values of sine, cos and tan of the angles, right? So whenever I'll say trigonometric values, your mind should automatically click with sine, cos or tan value. Okay, tan of the angle. Now, the first quadrant, this is the first quadrant, 0 degree, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degree, and this is 360 degrees, right? So the first one is, for the rule for the first quadrant is all the trigonometric values are positive for the first quadrant. So what does this mean? The meaning is sine 30 degrees, the value will be positive. This angle lies in the first quadrant. All of you, yes or no? This angle lies in the first quadrant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So sine of this angle will always be positive. Similarly, cos of 60 degrees. Again, 60 degree lies in the first quadrant, so it is positive. Right? What about tan of 38 degrees? 38 degrees lies in between 0 and 90, that is first quadrant, so it will be positive. Right? Now comes the second quadrant, the attribute for the second quadrant. Okay? In second quadrant, तो पता ही है second quadrant है, तो only sine of all the angles is positive in the second quadrant. That means cos and tan are negative in it. Right? Cos and tan are negative in it. For example, let's see our example. If I ask you to find what is sine of 120 degrees, what will you say? Positive or negative? First, you have to check the angle. This angle lies in between 90 and 180. Yes or no? All of you? This angle lies in between 90 and 180, right?
Yes, sir.
So, sine of this angle will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. It's written here, right? Only sine of all the angles is positive. What about cos 150? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Very good. Shabash beta. Third wala. देखो. Third is only tan of all the angles is positive in the third quadrant. ठीक है? Sine and cos are negative, right? So in this case, if I ask you about sine 240 degrees, this angle check kar lo pehle. 240 lies between 1 and 280. Sorry, 180 and 270. So sine will be what? Positive or negative? All of you?
Negative.
Negative. Very good. What about tan 224 degrees? Positive or negative? Very good. Now comes the next part. See, if you are not able to understand, you have to ask me, okay? If you have understood, we will move ahead. Only cos of all the angles is positive in the fourth quadrant. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसमें sin and tan are negative in it. Now all of you are aware about this now, right? So I'll write this. Let's take few examples here. So it is cos 330 degrees. All of you tell me, positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good. Tan 250, sorry, tan 315 degrees. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Shabash. So you got it, right? So don't start writing. I'm giving you something to answer. You first answer it and then you will start writing. Okay? Share your answers and then you start. So these are some of the angles. Sine 240 degrees, not sine 240, sine 310 degrees. Just start writing in the same sequence, okay? Answering it. You just have to mention positive or negative the way I have mentioned it. So cos 230 degrees, tan 215 degrees, tan 330 degrees, sine 150 degrees. इतना आंसर नहीं, एक सेकंड रुको. Cos 130 degrees. इतना आंसर करो. Answer all these 6 questions in the same sequence, positive, negative, or whatever. Post it in the comment section. While I check your answers, you can start writing it. Start making the notes, okay? एक जगह दो ना बेटा आंसर. सब सारे आंसर एक 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 मैसेज पे, ठीक है? So that I can check it easily. Very good, Ira. Your all answers are correct. Shabash. You can start making notes better. Ira, you are in which standard?
I'm in 8th.
8th standard. Very good. Very good, Tejas. All your answers are correct. Very good. I am waiting for Polly. Very good, Polly. All your answers are correct. Very good, Rajdeep. Your answers are also correct. Shabash, beta. So, देखो, this being this a very new chapter to all of you are able to answer it correctly, right? Every answer is right. So, you have the potential to understand any type of concept, right? If it is taught to you in a grading manner, right? So, all of you make notes quickly. पढ़ो भाई फटाफट लिखो इसको जल्दी से once you are done writing it type done in the comment window. So almost all of you are done making notes. Ira, I am waiting for your confirmation. Polly, I hope you are enjoying the session. You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's move ahead with standard triangles. Okay. So what are these standard triangles? Standard triangles are the triangles which contain the standard angles of the first quadrant, right? Standard triangles are those triangles which have the standard angles of first quadrants, right? So let's draw these triangles first. The first one is an isosceles triangle. The second one is a scalene triangle. And then there is this last one. This does not contain the standard angles of the first quadrant, but it's a unique triangle. How many of you are aware about Pythagoras theorem? How many of you don't know about Pythagoras theorem? Don't know. Please raise your hand or type I in the comment window if you are not aware about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, all of you are aware about it. Very good. So I'll just revise it for you. Suppose this is a right angle triangle and the sides are A, B. You can learn from here, Rajdeep. A, B, and C, right? Or A and B are perpendicular sides. So according to Pythagoras theorem, A square plus B square will always be equal to C square. A square plus B square is always equal to C square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. So In triangles case, in a right angle triangle, in trigonometry's case, this is base. Suppose this is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Then you can also write it as p square plus b square is equal to h square. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, here also, now the sides, I'll name the sides here. So this angle is 45 degrees. This is 90 and this is 45 degrees, right? The sides of the triangle are 1, 1 and root 2. Okay. In this case, this angle is 30, this is 60 and this is 90. So the smallest side is 1, the longest side is 2 and this will be root 3. I hope all of you are aware about square root and all, right? Polly, Utkarsh, Ira, Rajdeep, Tejas. Square root पता है बेटा? ये root का sign सबको पता है या नहीं पता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the last one. This is the most unique triangle. 3, 4, 5 are its sides. So 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. This is the smallest Pythagorean triplet. These are the smallest. 3, 4, 5 are the smallest Pythagorean triplet. Right? So now, this is very interesting. ध्यान से सुनना हाँ. The angle between 5 and 3. ये तो 90 है, ये सबको पता है. The angle between 5 and 3 is 53 degrees. है ना interesting? The angle between 5 and 3 is 53 degrees. And that between the other angle will always be 37 degrees. Following the angles, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So all of you understood how to name the angles and the sides. This is what you have to memorize, right? 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, root 3, 1, 1, root 2, 45 degrees, 30, 60, 37 and 53. याद करेंगे आप लोग इसको या नहीं करेंगे? ये याद रखना पड़ेगा आप लोग.
Yes.
ठीक है? Now, we will try to fill in the values of these angles based on these sides. Sin 30, cos 30. Third one is sin 45. Fourth one is cos 45. Fifth one is sin 37 degrees. Cos 37 degrees. Sin 53 degrees. Cos 53 degrees. Sin 60 degrees. And the last one is cos 60 degrees. So I'll do a few of them for you. I'll do this sin 53 degrees, okay? All of you, pay attention. Okay, who wants to help me with this? चलो Polly से पूछते हैं. Polly, for 53 degrees,
Yes, sir.
for 53 degrees, if I take this angle 53 degrees, which side will be perpendicular, Polly? Which side
Sir,
will be hypotenuse in this triangle? Tell me which side will be hypotenuse in this triangle.
the side which have 5, sir,
Yes.
5
All
is
of
the
you.
hypotenuse.
Yes, all of you are aware that this is the hypotenuse, right? So let's name it as H. अभी के लिए. Which side is base? Sorry, which side will be perpendicular, Polly, for 53 degrees angle?
The side that have 3.
4. 53 के opposite वाला ना बेटा. So this will be perpendicular. This is base. I hope all of you understood how to choose base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ira, Utkarsh, Tejas, Rajdeep. Okay.
Yes,
So now,
sir.
what is sine 53 degrees? It's perpendicular upon hypotenuse. You know that sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So substitute the values of P and H here. P is what? 4. H is what? 5. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. तो आप लोग fill in the next, fill in the 9 blanks here. Post your answers. While I check your answers, you can copy the slide there. Okay. Please do it quickly. But Acha, take your time. Don't rush. Take your time, but please try to do it correctly. Okay. No mistakes. सबको पता है परपेंडिकुलर किसको बोलते हैं, बेस बोल किसको बोलते हैं? यस और नो? भाई आप लोगों ने कैमरा बंद कर रखा है। तेजस, राजदीप, कैमरा ऑन करना है बेटा। ठीक है। तेजस समझ आया बेटा परपेंडिकुलर बेस हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या होता है? राजदीप, you are in which standard, Rajdeep? Unmute yourself.
Sir, class 8.
Class 8. Okay. Please do it quickly. Fill in the blanks, all of you. First, you give me the answers and then you can start making. Answers. I'll write the formulas here. Sin theta is P upon H. Cos theta is B upon H. That's what you need, right? You only have to identify which one is base for which angle. Which side is base, which side is perpendicular for which angle, right? Karo beta, shabash. I can see the answers here. Very good, kids. Wow. Amazing, huh? Chalo, I'll write their answers. All of you have done it almost correct. So sine 30 is 1 over 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 over root 2. Cos 45 is 1 over root 2. Sine 37 is 3 by 5. Cos 37 is 4 by 5. Sine 53 is 4 by 5. Cos 53 is 3 by 5. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now let's see the answers. All of you, check your wrong answers. 5 by 3, 5 by 4 नहीं होगा बेटा कभी भी, है ना? अभी 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 करते हैं इसको, रुको जरा, ये मैं I'll ask you to do it again. All of you, check your 9th and 10th. All of you. 9th and 10th. चलो एक एक को पकड़ते हैं इस बार, ठीक है? Polly, Polly,
Yes, sir.
tell me, for 9th and 10th, right? For this 60-degree angle, which is the angle here, 60 degrees, ये वाला angle bit, है ना? For this 60-degree angle, which side will be base, which side will be perpendicular, Polly?
The side with root 3 will be perpendicular and the side with 1 will be base.
Very good. So this is perpendicular, this is base, right? And this is hypotenuse. So Polly, sine 60 will be what, beta? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? It's root 3 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
You check your answer now.
Root 3 was 60.
You have written 1 by 2. समझी बेटा?
Yes, sir.
गलती समझ आई ना? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now कौन है भाई? तेजस, ईरा. ईरा से पूछते हैं. ईरा, same mistake. You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
But there is one more. That is, I think it is sine 37 degrees. So Ira, for this 37 degrees, which side will be perpendicular, Ira? Ira,
Yes, sir.
for this 37 degrees, which side of this triangle will be perpendicular?
The 3.
3. Very good. So this is P, this is B, right? Now, Ira, tell me what is sine 37 degrees?
3 upon 5.
3 upon 5. You check your answer now? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood the mistake? Tejas, same mistake. The last ones. Under root 3 by 2. 10th one. है ना बेटा? और फिफ्थ वाला, फिफ्थ तो ठीक है इसका, फिफ्थ सिक्स ठीक है इसका. गुड. सो द 10th वन, राइट? सो बच्चों देखो, ऑलमोस्ट barring from apart from these few mistakes which you have done in the last part, all of you were able to solve most of the questions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's start with, so this was the end of the session. Let's do some feedback, quick feedback. So Pauli, tell me, how was the session for you? You
Sir,
understood
it
the
was
session or not?
nice, and I got to learn many new things apart from my school syllabus and my different syllabus.
Okay. And you are able to solve the questions. There are no doubts you are carrying forward to your place, right?
No,
You're
sir.
not carrying any doubts with you.
No, sir.
Very good. Very good. Shabash. Rajdeep, though you joined late, but were you aware about trigonometry?
Yes, sir.
तुमको trigonometry के बारे में पता था पहले से?
Sir, a little bit, but
A little bit. How was the session for you?
Sir, nice.
समझ आया? Okay.
Got to
Very
understand,
good.
yes, sir.
Okay. Ira, what about you?
सर मेरे को बहुत मजा आया करने में।
मजा आया करने में? हाँ, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है ना?
हाँ
और नए चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होता है तो और अच्छा लगता है
हाँ
ना? सो दिस थिंग यू विल स्टार्ट लर्निंग व्हेन यू विल बी इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड. बट व्हाई वी आर लर्निंग इट हियर इज, एज आई सेड, अर्ली स्टार्ट, राइट? तो देखो, constraint, it should not be yours, right? You can be taught anything. You can be taught anything, right? So don't limit yourself while learning. Let him be there. Why are you bothered by that? Don't worry. So thank you so much, kids. Tejas, अच्छा, तेजस और उत्कर्ष से तो पूछना, चलो ठीक है. तेजस, how was the session for you? Good? You understood? Okay, good. So thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much for your time. सर, उत्कर्ष के लिए मैं भेज दूंगा आपको रिकॉर्डिंग, है ना? तो thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much for your precious time. I hope you learn new things. My best wishes to all of you for whatever future endeavors you want to pursue from now onwards.
Right, sir.
Once you have thought of starting early, please do take it forward, right? Your small steps, your small learnings in next 1 year will keep you far ahead of your peer group, right? So thank you so much
Actually,
again.
Utkarsh attended classes a little bit, but
कोई बात नहीं सर.
he couldn't understand anything because trigonometry is not in his syllabus right now.
नहीं नहीं सर, वो कंटिन्यूअस नहीं था, इसलिए वो आ जा रहा होगा. बीच में देखेगा तो समझ नहीं आएगा उसको. एक बार आप
हाँ,
रिकॉर्डिंग उसको शुरू से दिखाइएगा, समझ आएगा उसको. ये सब उसी के
ठीक,
बराबर के बच्चे हैं, सबके सिलेबस में नहीं है ये,
अच्छा,
है ना? हाँ, तो एक आध साल आगे
ठीक,
पीछे है, किसी को नहीं पता क्या होता है, उसको आ जाएगा. ठीक. ओके.
ठीक,
थैंक यू.
ठीक।
सो थैंक यू सो मच, किड्स. गुड नाइट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. टेक केयर. बाय.
बाय।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू
थैंक
सर।
यू.
बाय।
थैंक यू. थैंक यू.